Okay, this is a compilation of, well, I don't know what the hell compilation means, it just sounds cool. This is basically a video of me singing 1, 2, 3, 4 Hello Goodbye songs from my BFF Julie. Enjoy! Here is Shimmy Shimmy Quarter Turn. Okay, all the lyrics that are not as smart as the words you spoke. English is so hard fun. Every guy that I dream was never ever as cute as you. Having such a heart attack. I'm looking in my almanac. I've gotta find out all the things and find out where she got her wings. Wishing before the turn. Only one was never there. Home from the party side. When I'm crazy, get it down. Square one, gotta get it back to like back up on the farm. Start acceleration, take it back to square one. Gotta get it back to where I find you. Start acceleration, take it back to square one. Everything begins to fit in with the other answers. Questions never come from. Since the keep us far apart, turning down the number. Mark the places in my book with photographs we never took. Turn kind of feelings, not time for some clarity. With all this crazy focus, I'll be seeking out and making time. This one, person dating a picture, finding my misunderstood. Every time I catch a look. Gotta get it back to you, back up when I find you. Start acceleration, take it back to square one. Gotta get it back to you, back up when I find you. Start acceleration, take it back to square one. Back to you, back up when I find you. Start acceleration, take it back to square one. Gotta get it back up when I find you. Start acceleration, take it back to square one. There was that. Yay me for singing it. And, well, here's Dear Jamie, sincerely me. Guys, this band's so great. Dear Jamie, I got a letter I would like to send. It's Black Kings, rings and words animation at the end. This is in the light to convey the right effect. Dear Jamie, I found a desert island and pen. I would have used a pencil, but that's just not permanent. Pencils ink to express the things I think. I rejoice when I wish to think I have something to contest with inside jokes and folks who moved to much more to say, dear Jane, this envelope will represent my heart. See you later. Fart. This action that I carry my affection. Okay, I'm gonna not do this song. Yeah. Here's here in your arms. Okay, I have to respond to you on MSN first. Okay, here in your arms. Bye, hello, goodbye. Obviously, this is the song. I'm trying to sing loud, okay? Gosh. Where we are, when we drive in your car, I like where we are here. 'Cause our lips can touch and our cheeks can blush. Our lips can touch here. Well, you are the one that lies close to me. Whispers hello, I missed you quite terribly. I fell in love with you suddenly. Now there are no places I could be but here in your arms. Sleep. When you sleep next to me, I like where you sleep here. Our lips can touch, our cheeks can brush, our lips can touch here. You are the one that lies close to me. Whispers, I know I missed you quite terribly. I fell in love with you suddenly. There's no places I could be but here in your arms. Our lips can touch. Our lips can touch. Here, you are the one that lies close to me. Whispers, hello, I've missed you quite terribly. However, I'm in love with you. Suddenly, it was no one else I could be but you. The one that lies close to me. Whispers, hello, I missed you quite terribly. I fell in love with you suddenly. There's no place else I could be but here in your arms. Here in your arms. Whoops. Okay. Well, there was that, and this isn't the official 8-minute video. I just didn't want to sing like 5 different videos. And so now it is time for Baby It's Fact! Just in case they're wondering, they've got us terribly. They don't know how real love is. Joe, it's true. Just now, the part about my love for you. Love is as about to burst into 1,000 pieces. Love must be true. Love will leave us too soon. It's fact. Our love is true. The way black is black and blue is just blue. My love is true. It's a matter of fact. And it is too. It's as simple as that. Baby, our love is true. Things, some beautiful things, but no point in listening. And blue are the only words that I believe in afterwards. No, it's true just now, the part about my love for you, and how my heart's about to burst into 1,000 pieces. It must be true, and they'll believe us too soon. Baby, it's fact, our love is true. The way black is black, and blue is just blue. True, fact, our love is true. It's as simple as that. It's true. Oh, it's true. It's facts. Our love is true. Blue is black, and blue is just blue. Our love is true. It's a matter of fact. Our love is true. It's simple as that. Baby, it's facts. Our love is true. The way black is black, and blue is just blue. Baby, it's true. It's a matter of fact. Our love is true. It's simple as that. Baby, it's fact. Our love is true. Baby, it's fact. Our love is true. It's facts. Our love is true. It's facts. Our love is true. Baby, it's facts. Our love is true. Blah, blah, blah. Here it is.